My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just over 24,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control, voice control and automatic wipers. On our screen we can access our menu, navigation, audio, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, our parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.